Greetings,
my dear followers. We'll be making Oblivion gates for this project, and it will be
fantastic. Let's go.
I'll be using 2mm thick cardboard that will be used for flame frame. Holes that are punctured are for LED lights so they can be fitted into the frame. 6 LED lights are soldered together in series. Flame inside the frame is made from hot glue. Gravity and a little screwdriver work miracles here. The base color for the flame is orange. After that, a bit of red and black will make the flame look
wonderful!
Yellow is prevalent.
Cheese!
So make it rain. A little bit of white at the end is a lovely final touch.
I like it!
LED lights will be controlled using Arduino. If you are familiar with it, you'll understand when I say I'll be using 6 pulse width modulated pins, so I can control light brightness, but
you've probably figured that out by now.
Arduino code looks like this and will be provided in the description. Delay of 200 milliseconds corresponds to the natural flame flickering frequency of 5 Hz. A good soldering job is essential for proper performance of the electronics.
I've told you too much for now.
For a guy like me, and your eyes are shiny, like you don't see. I wish you could be mine for eternity. Could you please be mine? Hey, you trapped my soul, you broke my law. I think you're fake, cause you stole my heart, trapped my soul, like a superstar.
You sleep rather soundly for a murderer.
Cause you're my star, a superstar, cause you're my star, a superstar, cause you're my star. You're a perfect person for a guy like me, and I know for sure that we are meant to be. If your heart is not there, I may have a key. Could you please be mine? Hey, you trapped my soul, you broke my law. I think you're fake, cause you stole my heart, trapped my soul, like a superstar, a superstar, cause you're my star, a superstar, cause you're my star, a superstar, cause you're my star, a superstar, cause you're my star.
To je istina. Fragile, tread lightly, my lord. Šta je to? Kaj si to stavio tu? Šta?
Now, I bid you farewell. I do hope we'll meet again soon.